So here in this video we will see indexing. What type of indexing we can perform on tuples. So indexing allows us to get an item at a particular position. We can find the positive index. It checks from the first item. You can find the negative index. It checks from the last item. So same as this, we can also perform the same indexing in tuples as well. So let me show these examples in PyCharm IDE. So I'll call print this tuple of 2. This is indexing and this is positive indexing. And after that we'll get negative indexing of print tuple of -2. So I'll print these two and see. You can see, you will see 3 and true as the last two elements. So 3, I have given tuple as tuple of 2, that means 0, 1, 2 is 3. It has printed me 3, and I have printed -2 here. That means the last element, or the last second element will be printed, that is true. So that is printed here. So this is how we can do, this is called positive indexing and this is called negative indexing. So this is how we can do positive indexing and negative indexing in tuples.